Most people think sleep is simply rest. But what actually happens at night is nothing short of a biological miracle. While you're unconscious, your body switches into repair mode, rebuilding muscles, restoring cells, strengthening your immune system, balancing hormones, and cleaning out toxins. And here is the part almost everyone underestimates. The food you eat in the evening can either turbocharge this nighttime repair or silently sabotage it. Studies now show that certain foods, when eaten before bed, can boost regeneration, stabilize your sleep hormones, calm your nervous system, and support your gut and immune function while you sleep. On VitaniCbloom today, you're about to discover the 7 most powerful sleep-supporting foods. Foods that work with your biology, so you wake up more refreshed, more energized, and healthier than the day before. And the final one will surprise you because it is something you've heard of your entire life, but probably never understood why it works. Let's get started, and trust me, you'll want to try at least one of these tonight. The first powerful nighttime superfood is almonds. A simple handful may look innocent, but almonds are loaded with magnesium and B vitamins, both essential for calming the nervous system. Magnesium relaxes your muscles and reduces tension, while B vitamins support your brain and help regulate neurotransmitters. Together, they prepare your mind and body for deep, restful sleep. Almonds also contain protein and healthy fats that stabilize your blood sugar through the night, helping you avoid those sudden wake-ups caused by hunger spikes. Just a small handful can make the difference between tossing and turning and sleeping deeply until morning. Next is yogurt, but not the sugary flavored kind. We're talking about plain, natural yogurt rich in probiotics. Your gut does a tremendous amount of repair work while you sleep, and the beneficial bacteria in yogurt support that process. A healthier gut equals a stronger immune system, because over 70% of your immune cells are connected to your digestive tract. Yogurt also delivers slow-digesting protein that feeds and protects your muscles overnight. So while you're dreaming, your body is quietly rebuilding your strength from the inside out. Third on the list is one of nature's simplest sleep aids: bananas. Bananas contain tryptophan, the same amino acid your brain uses to produce serotonin, your feel-good hormone, which then converts into melatonin, your sleep hormone. On top of that, bananas deliver potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals that relax your nerves and muscles. If you often lie awake feeling tense or overthinking the day, a banana in the evening can help switch your body into calm mode naturally. Our next powerful nighttime food is oatmeal. And yes, it works even better in the evening than in the morning. Oatmeal is rich in complex carbohydrates and fiber, which keep your blood sugar stable for hours. This is a key factor in nighttime melatonin release, because stable glucose signals your brain that it's safe to enter deep sleep. Oats also provide iron and zinc minerals your body needs for cell repair, tissue healing, and immune strength. A small, warm bowl of oatmeal at night can be deeply soothing while fueling your body's overnight renewal processes. Another underestimated sleep booster is kiwi. Research shows that people who eat kiwi before bed fall asleep faster and experience better overall sleep quality. Why? Kiwis contain high levels of antioxidants, vitamin C, and natural serotonin. They also support digestion, thanks to their unique enzymes, which means your body spends less energy processing food and more energy repairing itself. If you want a simple, sweet, low-calorie evening snack that actually improves your sleep rhythm, kiwi is one of the best choices you can make. Next are walnuts, a true nighttime powerhouse. Unlike most foods, walnuts don't just support melatonin production. They contain melatonin. They're literally a natural source of the sleep hormone your brain uses to regulate your entire sleep-wake cycle. They also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support heart health. Just 2 or 3 walnuts in the evening can gently signal to your body that it has time to wind down and prepare for rest. And finally, the classics that have stood the test of time: chamomile and warm milk. Chamomile tea is one of the most researched calming herbs in the world, known for reducing nervous tension and easing the mental restlessness that often keeps us awake. Warm milk contains tryptophan, the same sleep-supporting molecule found in bananas, and has a naturally soothing effect on the nervous system. These two have been used for generations because they work. If stress or overthinking sabotages your sleep, ending your night with these warm drinks can make a noticeable difference. All of these foods work with your biology while you sleep, supporting everything from muscle repair to hormone balance to immune strength. They don't knock you out. They help your body transition into deeper, higher quality rest naturally and safely. Now here's a question for you. Do you snore at night, or does someone tell you that you stop breathing for a moment in your sleep? If you do, there are certain medical conditions you should be screened for, and we've linked the video that explains them right here. Make sure to click on it next, because nighttime breathing problems can impact your heart, metabolism, and overall health more than you realize. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Vitanic Bloom for more science-backed wellness tips that help you live healthier every day.